Hi, it's Dana from Guava Acres on the big island of Hawaii. I just thought that I would share my crazy bird collection with you guys today since I have not made a video in a while. Hi, Myra. This is Miss Myra. Hi, girl. All right, where's my birds? Hi, turkeys. Goose, goose. Turkeys, silkies. Hey, Big Mac. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Goose, goose. Goose, goose. They don't like the camera. Hi, baby turks. The silky crew. Look at those crazy fluffers. Baby goats. Hi, Violet. Hey, crazy fluff head. Oh my goodness. Hey, buddy. Alright, I better get all these guys fed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.